for what do I fall in love with next. एक मौका मिला है, opportunity मिली है, want to make the most of it.
Gudu has been a long, nice, juiced out part जहाँ मुझे खेलने का मौका मिला. But otherwise, I'm touchwood very satisfied.
कहानी की रिक्वायरमेंट है कि एक कैरेक्टर का टाइम अप हो गया तो वो चले जाएं. That's the best way.
Hello everyone, this is a very special episode of Spill the Beans on CNN News 18. It's always lovely to have such good looking faces and of course a full house, a full panel here on the show. And I don't think I have to, introduce my guests because you all have been watching them since so many years. But still I'll do the courtesy. Rasika, Ali and Shweta, thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. How are you all?
Good, Sakshi. Thank you for having us.
Okay, Shweta. So let's jump in straight with the first question for you.
Yeah.
In the series, throughout the years, we have seen a drastic change happening in your character. Over the years, we have seen a character development from a nerdy kid to now a full-on gangster. Please tell us your story. How has it been when you were going through the script? What were the initial thoughts?
I think for any script that I like and I want to do, what I pay attention to is the emotional response I have to it while reading or while listening to it.
Mm-hmm.
And if that at the heart of it is the emotional drive of the character, then it really excites me. And as an actor, I'm always looking for what do I fall in love with next. And
Right.
Mirzapur came to me, I think 9 saal ho gaya, 9 years back when he started shooting. And I just knew that I want to be a part of this world. And also realizing that ये Sweetie और Bablu जो गोलू के सबसे important closest characters हैं, if something happens to them, then it is Guddu and Golu who will be doing something. And I had not read a character, a part, or seen like Golu before. In fact, not just Golu, I think be it Beena, be it Madhuri, I have not read such characters before. तो
Right.
वो एक एक्साइटमेंट था कि ये जो एक मौका मिला है, opportunity मिली है, want to make the most of it. When season 1 released, we never thought that it's gonna blow up like this and it'll be one of the most popular shows, not just of the country but of the world. एक कोई तो list है जो कल ही आई है जिसमें top 100 shows में there's no other Indian show and Mirzapur is on 47.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah, I've always had this greed that I want the world to see my work, not just my country. So that's why I love film festivals. That's why I do the kind of independent things that I do. And before Ali says that I talk too much, मैं it's
See, ये रह जाता है ना इसका. You remember small things. ना फिर तुम देती हो ऐसे बाद में.
है ना. So it's been very satisfying, yeah, because
I am seeing an opportunity. संगठन में problem हो रही है. This is an opportunity for Beena to.
Beena's noticing. So, as actors, and I think I can say that for Rasika and I, that we don't fall into your stereotypical heroines.
Right.
And when we break that, तो बहुत मजा आता है, बहुत satisfying होता है और करते आ रहे हैं, करते रहेंगे.
Definitely. And Ali, my next question is for you. Since you were waiting for Shweta to end her answer, let's ask you about the massive body transformation and, of course, the extremes that we have seen you playing. Either you play a shy, calculative, and intellectual person. नहीं तो फिर एकदम गुड्डू पंडित निकल आते हैं, भाई साहब बिल्कुल आए बाएं नहीं सोचेंगे, पहले मार देंगे, गड़ा देंगे और उसके बाद सोचेंगे कि अरे किया क्या है.
हाँ यार, मतलब ये तो मेरे लिए अच्छा है. I like it. मैं अपने आप को बोर करने के चक्कर में ये सब चीजें करता रहता हूँ, ट्राई करता रहता हूँ अलग अलग चीजें. Also been lucky that I've been or given offers such as these. Of course, Guddu has been a long, nice, juiced out part जहाँ मुझे खेलने का मौका मिला. But otherwise, I'm touchwood very satisfied with the kind of places where I've had a chance to showcase different characters. So yeah.
Lovely. Rasika, my next question to you would be, what we have understood from Game of Thrones and Mirzapur type की series कि भाई कैरेक्टर से अटैचमेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए किसी भी कीमत पे, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई भी निपट जाएगा इसमें. ठीक है. So whenever the script comes to you for the next season, ऐसा कोई एक डर रहता है कि भाई बस कुछ भी हो जाए, मेरा कैरेक्टर ना मरे.
मुझे ये डर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. अगर कहानी की रिक्वायरमेंट है कि एक कैरेक्टर का टाइम अप हो गया तो वो चले जाएं. दैट्स द बेस्ट वे, यू नो, टू एग्जिट ग्रेसफुली. आई थिंक is a good way to be. But I do think that many actors in shows like this start reading the script पीछे से.
नहीं, बट वो एक्सेल डे होता है ना. एक्सेल डे, यू नो अबाउट एक्सेल डे?
No, I have no clue.
What?
2 मई को होता है ना. सो 2 मई को ये सब लोग बैठते हैं और इनी मिनी माइनी मो खेलते हैं. तो उस पे
अच्छा.
डिसाइड होता है कौन सा कैरेक्टर जाएगा, है ना. सब ऑल फिल्म मेकर्स ऑफ एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट.
रसिका का पता नहीं, बट आई डोंट वांट बीना भाभी टू गो एनीवेयर.
ये खुद निपटाती हैं कैरेक्टर्स को ये लोग. भाई यहाँ तो जा नहीं रहा है
That's
ये
the,
लोग.
that's we are looking at women gangsters like full-fledged violence के साथ में. Shweta, if I were to ask you about the kind of learnings that you are taking away from this kind of character that you are playing in Mirzapur, because I have talked to a lot of actors. Always they say that when they play an extreme character, there is always a pocket of learning that they take away. What would be that pocket of learning for you?
I think from Golu, something that I'm trying to borrow and implement in my life is बुद्धि and बल का balance. बुद्धि तो उसके पास हमेशा से, और अब वो बल जो ला रही है, जो कि फिटनेस की तौर में मेरी लाइफ में भी आया है. And I started working out when I was 34. And जनरली सब आपको ये बताते ना, अरे this is too late, ये एज होनी चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि जिस एज पे स्टार्ट तो करो. So, and the clarity of thought and planning and padhai, I think Golu is a front bencher and Shweta is a back bencher. So I'm just trying to thoda come towards that, and also strength. Golu में जो हिम्मत है, जो ताकत है, वो जब वो जाने वाली होती है एपिसोड 5 में और EKT वहां पे है, and वो करेज जो गैदर करती है, I think as Shweta, I would like to believe that I'm very strong. But I don't think I'm as strong as you.
You know, if I may, there's something similar. I don't know if it is right. I might be totally wrong, but a similarity between the Shweta and Golu, the Golus, of this universe is that everything is very meticulous.
Oh, okay.
Like, yeah, there's a thought behind everything. And this I've noticed with Shweta also, even the way she would put in a small hanging on the wall, or the way she would, just put in sajao her kamra in a very haphazard way. Golu has that, which is very interesting. It's actually the perfect landing of, I feel, of an actor playing a character. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता था वो देखने में कि वो बेल्ट, जूते, हर चीज, there's a thought behind it, because there's a girl, a very soft girl, trying to
become very,
play it out,
yeah,
and sometimes it may land wrong, and sometimes it may land right, like that scene of yours where you are alone and surrounded in Vijay's that thing before your shoot. It's very vulnerable, and it was such a great choice. I thought, shit, I'm sorry, I'm telling you this mid-interview. I should call you separately. I'll call you separately.
Actually, that's the scene where you watch and you feel like you saw that season 1 Golu again,
Yeah, yeah. And that was like,
hurts you that, life has gotten her here, in some sense.
yeah.
And in
Trying really
if you were to
hard.
talk about the flow of the series, it's tragic in itself because you are losing onto so many lives, and you are losing yourself out also, the individuality, because you are trying to become something else. But Ali, if I were to ask you the same question, how much Guddu Pandit are you in real life? God forbid, I mean.
No, I'm not. I'm anything but. I think, I little, maybe I used to have temper issues way before.
Okay.
I think, but I mean, there's some part of it that you take from, the hidden sides of you. We all are inherently, I think, everything and every person. So
And does the
it's just-
continuous car honking irritate you?
Oh man, actually, I've seen, I shouldn't say this, but Richa I've seen in Raging once, long time back. हम नया नया डेट कर रहे थे, तो वो गाड़ी चला रही थी।
होली
तो मैं
पंजाब
वो विटनेस कर चुका हूँ। So
That's
I
a
think तब
constant meme image also. भाई साहब मतलब it's going to fill your Instagram with that dialogue, and
but
it's
ये
suitable
because
for every irritated emoticon.
वो जनरल इमोशन है इंडिया का,
बिल्कुल.
जनरल इमोशन, मेटाफोरिकली एंड क्वाइट लिटरली।
And Rasika, your character is one of the most cunning characters. You are continuously making associations, breaking them as well. So, what is that one person or character that you are closest to on sets, also on camera and off the camera?
You mean a person that Beena is closest to in the story?
Beena is closest to, and Rasika is closest to too. That's two questions in one question.
Beena is not emotionally connected to anyone, I think,
Anybody?
except for her child now, except for Lola. And that's what is unnerving about her for me. You know, every time, like my default setting is always to view a situation through an emotional connection with somebody, and Beena is totally not doing that. In fact, she's looking at it as how can I use this person to get what I want from this situation. So she's always defensive. She's always has her guard up. She's been I think violated too many times or suffered too many times to know not to trust anyone, you know. So I think, and that's a very sad way of living in one sense, but it's also interesting the way she plays it. So that is there, and I think for her now, and really for somebody who doesn't feel a connection with anybody else, when you finally find that one being who you're connected with, you get obsessive or probably even paranoid, you know, which is what she's going through in season 3 with her attachment to her child.
Right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
and,
So, one question that I would like to ask all three of you would be what connects your audience to Mirzapur, I believe, is the rawness and the reality. So, how do you prepare for your respective roles when it comes to the authenticity? You know, when you have to be on the camera, but at the same time, you have to be the real person as well.
I know I somehow over years have understood how to switch off. The research comes through all the stuff that we've already shot, and of course through the actors performing, through the scripts that are given, through our costumes, everything. So it's a whole collaborative, collective effort. And I think जो nubs की आप बात कर रही हैं, वो writing में किसी ने पकड़ी है. The rawness that finally lands outside with the audiences, you know. And the acting bit is just, honestly, sometimes it's just submitting, you know, to that world. That is very important. That's it. Yeah. Now, I was just ending with saying every character takes a bit of you away, and a bit of that character stays with you and for life. That's it.
Definitely.
I had watched a very beautiful interview of Kate Winslet many years ago in a show called Inside the Actors Studio, which I absolutely love. And she said, you know, all preparation that you do as an actor is to assuage your guilt as an actor, because you anyway have all of it, you know.
Yeah.
Which doesn't go to say that you don't prep, but very often it is you prep but not towards an exact end, you know. So आप वो चीजें करो जिसमें आपको मजा आता है, always around a character which you think might contribute to it. But I don't believe in a preparation or a research process which goes like ये इससे मुझे ये मिलेगा, you know. That is not the way to look at it. I mean, of course, some things are very specific, like they're profession specific. If you're playing a police officer, you do go and watch people so that you get to know the workings of that world, so that you don't err on the protocol bit. You know, that's a different thing. But I think the real preparation process is really from experiences you've had and things that you've remembered, and that always finds its way back when you need it. Like, for example, there was when I was trying to be Beena in season 1, I remembered this one girl I had met many years ago, and that visual sort of stuck in my head. But very simple looking, had come to Bombay from a small town, had come to Bombay, नई jeans, नई shirt. जब आप कहीं जाते हो जो आपके लिए important है, आप नए कपड़े खरीद के आते हो, and you know, you can look at her twice. but she was a beautiful singer, and somebody asked her to sing, and the moment she began singing, she transformed in that instant into a very beautiful sensual woman, and I cannot forget that image, and that kind of stuck in my head, and that kind of helped me deal with my underconfidence about being able to play a character which is so different from me, which probably, if people had thought about casting stereotypically, they would have cast somebody with a very different body type, So I think these things just find you when they have to. You just have to sort of expand your experiences in whatever way you can.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Shweta, would you like to add on something?
एक प्लेग्राउंड जैसा होता है ना, तो मुझे वही लगता है कि सब आते हैं अपनी जिस वे में भी प्रेप करके या अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ, एंड देन देयर आर सम सीन्स, देयर आर सम मोमेंट्स वेयर मैजिक इज क्रिएटेड व्हेन एवरीथिंग फिट्स इन ब्यूटीफुली. आई एम ऑलवेज चेजिंग दैट मैजिक, और मुझे पता है कि कहाँ कहाँ का मैंने वो फील किया है. तो वो एक जादुई दुनिया होती है जहाँ पे हम टेलीपोर्ट होके फिर वहां जाते हैं और वापस आ जाते हैं.
Right. Beautiful. Thank you so much to all three of you. All the very best. It was lovely, and it was like a treat to have a chat with you and watch you on screen after so many years. Ali, and of course, in advance, would like to congratulate you as well, because soon you will be embracing the parenthood. All the very best for that period as well.
अली के साइड से थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Shukriya. Shukriya.